There are many different ways on how to boost immunity power. From supplements, to eating the right foods, to getting enough rest, to exercising and even taking a natural immune booster supplement. There are many different things that you can do to increase your power. Before going forward, hit subscribe button and press bell icon. Just be sure to listen to your body, as well as the advice of your doctor, before you start any type of natural supplement that has unknown side effects that could be detrimental to your health. This is very important, because if you start supplementing an already existing weakness, you could end up harming yourself, instead of strengthening your immune system. A good source of a natural immune booster is ginkgo biloba. Many people have found that this supplement is the best way to increase their immune system. There are several herbs that also help with boosting the immune system. One of the best herbs is milk thistle. It is very potent and it helps with various types of immune problems. Another natural immune booster is raspberry leaf, which is also known as bilberry. It has shown to be very effective at boosting immunity. Ginkgo biloba, milk thistle, and bilberry all work together to help boost the immune system. They all do this by promoting the production of white blood cells. One thing that many people neglect to take into consideration when it comes to how to boost immunity power is making sure that they get enough sleep. Being awake for too long is not healthy. Sleep promotes growth of white blood cells and keeps the immune system strong and healthy. This is why getting plenty of sleep is so important to your immune system. If you don't get enough sleep, your immune system will not be able to keep up with what is going on in your body. Doing regular exercise and stretching is also important. When it comes to boosting your immune system, it is very difficult to boost your immune system naturally if you do not do anything for it. Physical exercise is always a good idea, and it can also help to reduce your risk of infection. Just remember that there are many things that you can do to boost your immune system naturally. Keep in mind that it may take some time and some experimentation to figure out what works best for you. One of the more popular ways to boost your immune system is through green tea. This is because it has caffeine, which is known to be an antioxidant that has been shown to boost your immune system. All types of green tea contain a specific compound called catechins, which has been shown to improve the immune system and to boost the immune system. Catechins can also be found in mulberries, which are known to help the immune system. Other things that are known to boost the immune system include the use of vitamin E oil, and fish oil supplements. The fish oil is especially beneficial because it contains omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to help with boosting the immune system.